Hello everyone, welcome to Information with Tepiso. I just want to explain something in relation to late applications so that you don't waste time waiting on late applications to open, and also you don't waste time applying for qualifications that you do not meet the requirements of, right? Just because the late application is open in this particular field or qualification does not mean you should actually just go ahead and apply. What you need to know is, firstly, all universities have an application period which takes place in the year before the actual intake. For example, if you were doing matric in 2025, the universities opened application processes in the year 2025 for the year 2026, right? So that you can apply then for this year. So the only thing that they wait for are your final results that came out on the 13th of January 2026, and that's what they base their final decision on. That's why most of you got accepted and most of you got rejected, right? To those that got rejected and you are waiting for late applications to open, this is what you have to know. Firstly, if a university has a qualification that did not get the ample amount or number of applications that it requires. For example, if they want 100 students in the education faculty to be admitted, but only 50 students applied for that qualification, it's then that they will open what? And a late application for more 50 students to apply so that they can take that 50 and combine it with the other 50 that they already admitted and make up what? Their 100. Or if the students that applied do not meet the requirement, yes, they have more than 100 students that applied, but the 50 do not meet the requirement at all, then that's when the university extends another offer of late applications so that qualifying students that got rejected in other institutions or never applied for that matter get the opportunity to apply. Remember, the key word is qualifying students. So how do you make sure, or how do you get to know whether you qualify? You have to go to the prospectus of that particular institution that released or opened up late applications and check the qualification that they opened late applications for. Please bear in mind that the late application is not for all the fields that university offers. It's not in education, medicine, psychology, pharmacy. No, they will stipulate the exact faculty or department or qualification that they need extra applications in, right? And then you take it from the prospectus, you check, okay, mathematics, they need level 5. Then you can check across your own results. Do I have level 5 for matric? Mathematics, they need level 4 for physics. They need level 3 for this subject, and this level for this level for that, right? Do not lean so much onto, oh, I calculated my AP score, it amounted to 23 and the AP score is 23, therefore I qualify. There is a reason why they have AP score and also the specific NSC level that you should have gotten for the specific subject, right? Because when they move from that 26 AP score, they then go to, okay, did you actually meet the exact requirements that we need for maths, physics, or the specific subjects that they need, right? So please check it thoroughly like that so that you don't waste time waiting on, that late application and it does not yield any positive result or outcome for you, and you find that you missed out on other opportunities, hoping and holding on to that late application for that university which you applied for, which you did not really understand and align properly with your matric results. I hope that makes sense, and I hope you will not make any mistakes or wait any longer and delay yourself and miss out on other opportunities, right? So just be on the lookout, yes, for any institution that opens up for late applications. Check if you qualify, if your subjects meet the NSC levels that they require there, or if you, and also if your AP score meets the AP score that they require there, then you can go ahead and apply, right, for and put in your late application. And if you do not get space, there's an opportunity again next year. We will be sharing information on different platforms so that you can get informed. And for those that are in need of bursaries, I also shared a video from Fresh Talent's website. They have a lot of scholarships and bursaries loaded there. So please go ahead and check it out. Apply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this is clear and understandable. If you have any questions, engage us in the comment section below. We'll try by all means to respond as soon as possible. This is Information with Tshepiso. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you in the next upload. Bye for now.